Hi, it's Joy with Enjoy It Healthy, and for my bakery orders, I really want to be able to accommodate certain dietary restrictions whenever possible, of course. And I wanted to do a quick video on how to sort of veganize my cookie-based mix. This is an ancient grain cookie-based mix, and so the mix by itself is vegan, and but you need to add certain things to make them into cookies, and sometimes you just need a vegan cookie. Even if you're not vegan yourself, sometimes you have company coming over and you want to make some cookies, and you know that they are vegan, or you're bringing them to a party. So I'm just swapping out the butter and the eggs, and it's a very simple swap. So the first step is to make your egg substitute, which I am using flaxseed. So I buy it whole. This is actually from Walmart. It comes like this size, or it comes like this. And I simply grind it up in an old coffee grinder. And I'm going to take 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to add, it's 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of water. Now you want to do this ahead of time. It's 4 and that's 6. And you want to just let it sit for about 30 minutes before you get started. Now that we have let this sit, you can see it's kind of like this gelatinous, thick consistency. All right, so all we have to do is we're dumping the entire package into the bowl of your mixer. The other animal product that we are substituting is butter. Now, we're going to substitute this with 2 things. One, I'm using 1 Earth Balance butter substitute stick that has been softened, and I'm also using an olive oil. So this is a blood orange infused olive oil, and I'm using a 1/4 cup of that. So time to just dump everything in our bowl. This has been sitting on the counter and is softened. Okay, and then we have a 1/4 cup of our orange olive oil. You can use plain, you can use avocado oil, but this will just intensify that orange flavor because I'm going to use the candied orange, and I love it with that dark chocolate. It's going to be awesome. Add your flax egg substitute, and we're using a cookie paddle, and we're going to whirl this up, get it nice and combined, and then add our mix-ins. It's about 3/4 of a cup of the candied orange and about 1.25 cups of the dark chocolate. I don't like to skimp on the chocolate, and so on the package it says about 2 cups. If you go over or under, it's not a huge deal, but it's approximately 2 cups. You can add nuts or any type of mix-ins you'd like. I'm going to use a cookie scoop, and I'm going to make sort of what I call mini cookies, and I'm going to press them in my scoop here and form that ball, and then I'm just going to lay them out. I lined my cookie sheet with waxed paper, and I'm just going to make all these balls. They've been sitting overnight and had a really nice rest. It's time to bake them. I'm just gonna bake this one tray and I will put the rest in the freezer for the next time I wanna bake some more cookies. So I hope you'll try this recipe. You can really taste the orange in here. But make it however you like it. Add nuts, add different fruit. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell and select all. You'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.